So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: System Settings and Antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Of course, you have to open the settings. Then go to the apps. And now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that do not recognize the name, you have to tap on it and choose the uninstall button, tap on the OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome, so you have to tap on the storage and choose the manage storage, tap on the clear data and tap on the OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch this application. In this app you have to tap on the green circle and click OK. Now add a permission to the files and go back. Then whole process starting automatically, and after the scanning process all of the unwanted software should be removed from your tablet. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.